Okay, so I have noticed that a lot of new creators, avatar creators, use Cat's Blender plugin to add assets without an armature to their avatar armature. And while you absolutely can do that, it also adds a lot of extra bones that just simply are not necessary. They, you know, they unnecessarily make your project a lot bigger and a lot more confusing. So I'm going to show you how to do it, well, in a very, very easy way that doesn't add any extra bones, but makes use of the bones that you already have. So let's get right into it. Okay, so this is my work in progress avatar, and I want to add this asset down here, which are some cute little glasses. And now these glasses are only going to be attached to the head. So for something like this, it's going to be very simple. You're just going to click on your asset. You're going to go down to where it says object data properties, and under vertex groups, you're going to add a new one. Now this is obviously going to be attached to my head, so I'm going to call this head. You're gonna have to make sure that this is the exact same name as your head bone. For some bases, the names will differ, but for most bases, it's just head with a capital H, okay? It is crucial that these are the same exact name, same exact spelling, etc. Otherwise, the two won't know how to, that they're supposed to connect with each other. Anyway, with that selected, we're going to go over here where it says object mode, then the drop down to weight paint, and with the gradient tool selected, we're going to pull that to 1. By default, it should already be set to 1, but I've been doing some weight painting on her, so it was on 0 for myself. And then we're going to just do this, just swipe over to the left or right or up and down, whatever of the object, so it weight paints the whole thing. Now this entire asset is weight painted to the head. Now what we're going to do, with the glasses still selected, we're going to go up to our armature, our avatar's armature, and we're going to hold control, and we're going to click on the armature, then go back to the object mode drop down and go to pose mode. Then we do control P and click on object, okay? And now our glasses, or whatever asset you're adding, will be under our armature, okay? But now you need to make sure that this asset knows that it's supposed to move with that armature. So you're going to go here in the modifier properties, you're going to add a new modifier, armature, and under object, you're going to select your armature. And that's it. That is all you have to do. When it comes to assets like, for example, this shirt, what is this? A sweater? Yeah, sweater. There is a little bit more that you're gonna have to do because obviously it's not just weight painted to one bone. So for something like this, if it doesn't have an armature, which I highly doubt because most creators do add armatures for something that needs to be weight painted like this, all you have to do is you need to select your asset. You're going to have to download this plugin called Robust Weight Transfer. Don't worry, I'll be putting it at the bottom. And you're going to select your source, so your body typically, or whatever you want it to take the weight painting from, which yes, is typically your body. And then with the item selected, you're going to click transfer. And after that, everything is the same. So all you have to do from there on out is go to modifier properties, add a new modifier, armature, and select your armature. And with your asset selected, click on the armature, go to pose mode, and do control P. And there you go. That's how you add it. And this way, it'll use the bones that are already there instead of making its own bone. I hope this helps, and I hope your projects are going to be a little less messy from now on. Bye-bye!